Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can create a digital planner in Canva with clickable hyperlinks. It is perfect for 2025. Whether you are making a planner for personal use or to tell sell on Etsy, this guide is beginner friendly. I will walk you through designing pages, adding tabs, and linking them step by step. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first of all, you just need to set up your Canva file. For that reason, you just need to visit on canva.com and then sign in or create free account. You are getting to saw different kind of interface, but when you will arrive in canva.com, you will get to see something like this. In here you just need to click over here, start designing, and then provide your email address, or you can continue with Google, Facebook, whatever, and then you will get this kind of an interface while you are on the dashboard. So from that place you just need to create a design. For that reason you just need to click over here, custom design, and you can choose the size for your Canva design. So we are going to design the planner cover, so the size here we just need to search here the planner, and then you will get to see the planner option. So I think this one is quite good and so much amazing, so I will click over here and then customize this template, and you can rename your design to something like digital planner 2025 or weekly planner. Let's say weekly planner here. That's it. Now you just need to design the planner cover. Use the elements tab to add a notebook background or cover mockup. Add a title like my 2025 digital planner. Like here you can add it. So that's so much amazing. Like you can add this one. First of all, let's search elements in here. That will be an calendar. So let's search for notebook. Here you will actually see all of this in here. So from that place you just need to drag and drop any of them with design you feel is good for your design. So I'm going to paste it here, and now you can see it looks really great. So now I am going to add the title in here. Let's say I'm going to add the subtitle, and the subtitle will be my 2025 digital planner. Here actually you can see you can change the font as well in here. I'm going to add this font for my design. Now once it's done, you can customize the icon. You can name your logo, or you like it, make it more attractive. This is the first thing user will see. So now you just need to create tabs on navigation. Add small rectangle shape or side or top of the page. This will be your tab. Label them monthly, weekly, daily, notes, goals, whatever you want. You can do it. You can use consistent size, color, and font. Group the tabs if you want to copy them to other pages easily. Like here you can see. So you just need to copy all of them by clicking on keyword control and then choose all of them. So here you can group all of them, and then you can insert word as well. So now you just need to duplicate the page, and you just need to add sections. Like you can just need to click over here into the top, and you will find out this duplicate option. You just need to click this one and the page will be duplicate. And here you just need to change the month while you are doing your work. That is so much easy one. Always create individual pages like for monthly planner, weekly layout, daily schedule, to-do list, goal tracker, note page, and you can add headlines to each page. Keep the design simple and clean for usability. Now let's talk about how you can add text box and layout. You can use Canva Creates. In here you will find out this one in element. You just need to search Canva Create lines or text box to structure each page. In here you just need to search Create, and you will actually get to see all of these great things in here. Let's say I'm going to paste it the script in here. You can see I already been pasted in here. This way you can do it. So you can make Canva templates if you want. Hit start. Now let's talk about how you can add hyperlinks to tabs. So basically you just need to select the tab you want to hyperlink. Let's say I'm going to add hyperlink on this tag, so you just need to select this one and then actually you will get this three dot. You just need to click over here, and then actually a pop-up will become, and into the pop-up you will get couple of options. From that place you just need to be scroll down, and under above the log you will find out this link option. You just need to click this link icon in the top right bar, and then to the page and select which page it should jump to. For example, the monthly tab, you just need to be link this one. Here you can see page in documents, you can link this one, and it already been linked here, and once when you will click here it will redirect you to that page. You can link it with an out link also, like the Amazon one, Facebook one, or your profile, whatever. Then you just need to be export as PDF with hyperlink. Let's say I'm going to export it. You just need to click this share icon and then click download, and from that place you just need to select the PDF standard and then just click download. Once you did, then it will take a couple of minutes and it will be download in here. So exporting as PDF with hyperlink is really simple. I hope you understand. Now you can check this one. You just need to be scroll down, and here you can see this is the link. You just need to click over here and it will redirect you to this one. So I hope you see the actual result. Make sure to check the box flattened PDF is not selected while you are exporting. This is the necessary one. This keeps all your links active. Save the file. Now it's ready to import it to GoodNotes, Notability, or iPad apps. So let me give you bonus tips are for selling your planner. If you are planning to sell this on Etsy or Gumroad, make a mock-up showing the digital planner on an iPad, and always add branding and themes like Hyperlinked digital planner. Also, you can offer multiple colors or bonus sticker pack. You can use Canva's smart mockup to make your product look professional. You can export a preview version with a watermark if needed. So that's it. Let's see our final review and test. Before uploading or sharing, test your digital planner. You just need to open it in Adobe Acrobat Reader or GoodNotes. Make sure all hyperlinks works actually, and then check formatting, spacing, and fonts. Make any final edits inside Canva. You can do it. And now you actually know how you can create a hyperlinked digital planner in Canva, all for free and beginner friendly. So here actually I try to describe all the things like you can create your digital planner for yourself. So here you just need to explore all these tabs in the left corner, then you will find out more amazing elements so you can make your design more engaging and more amazing for your customers or your clients. So there's a couple of things you just need to explore it properly, then you will find out more things. Like here you can see their template to generate ideas. Here you can see this one is really amazing. You can use this one, but one thing in here you will see the crown. So whenever you will see crown, it means the design or the template is not free or not available for us who are using free plans. So always ignore this one, don't use this platform, always use this free, which is totally free, and you can use all of them. So here if you want to use actually the free plan, then you can purchase the free plan. It is a really entry level one. So I hope you understand how amazing Canva to create a design here. So if you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Canva tutorials. Drop your questions or planner ideas in comments. I reply to all. Thanks for watching.